If you have ever moved before, then you know that when you're unpacking and trying to get organized in your new home, it's a lot of stuff shuffling. As some of you may already know, I spent almost a week at my ex-sister-in-law's new home up north and helped her with unpacking and getting organized. And I'll link the video for her initial home tour at the end. But I'm going to do a little series here, and I've been struggling with how to edit these videos so that they're not too painful to watch. I'm sorry. And something to give you inspiration and some tips on when you're trying to find places to put things to and trying to get things organized. When you move into a new place, unless it's like a brand new place, then you have, don't have to do any work at all to it to make it the way you want it. You might have to wait before you can go forward and do some things, which is the case with my ex-sister-in-law. I explained that in the initial tour, some of the things that had to get done. So even if I had all the time in the world, we would not have been able to do everything that we set out to do. But today's video, I wanted to at least start with the bathroom, the bedroom, and the linen closet. So make it a nice, easy, bite-sized little video to watch and hopefully give you some tips. This is one sad thing. This is supposed to be a linen closet. And the old owners took all the shelves that were in there. So that's that. This room here is the room I'm staying in at the moment. And so, let's see. Well, I don't know. We've got the ceiling fan there. Let's show the bathroom here first. Gorgeous soaker tub. Lots of cabinets here. And nice vanity. So lots of potential here. The one thing I've noticed it's missing is towel bars to hang up the towels. But that's an easy fix. Now, in the closet here, she hasn't really had a chance to do too much. I'm gonna shut that door for a sec. She's having a shower, so it's a little noisy. But yeah, so just the bed there that I found is very comfortable, and the TV, unfortunately, so it's hooked up through the cord through the window because the friend that helped her set it up did not want to drill any holes. So that will have to be done properly when she can find someone to install that properly. But yeah, so a lot of things here still to unpack and organize and find places for. But yeah, it's just, yes, look at that view. Look at that beautiful view. As I mentioned in my last video, the first step in getting organized is to declutter. So she's already decluttered a lot of stuff, and she wants to keep everything that's in here apparently. So that's one thing. Now we have to assign homes. But before I really get into the nitty-gritty of organizing, I'm going to clean everything out really good, because you can see where the soap has gone down here, and these drawers were not cleaned out by the previous owner, and they're kind of dirty. So anyway, I'll get at it. So in this cabinet here, she started putting some things away. So there are some like things, but I might be rearranging some of this stuff as I find other things that are like products. Okay, I just wanted to explain a bit of my process here. I've cleaned the top two shelves, and I put this basket with
her Febreze air freshener stuff there, plus the box of masks there. Because these are things, this is her back stock for her Febreze stuff. And the mask she's not using all the time. Now, she was concerned about not reaching things on the top shelf. Well, if I can reach it when I'm not standing on a ladder, I know she can too. By putting this in a bin, we can take it like so and bring it down so she can easily access that. And there's room there for a couple of more back stock if she wants more. So that's what I'm doing on the top shelf. I'm trying to clean everything really good. I haven't got to this one yet, and then I'm going to remove the things that she's already put there, and I'm trying to put things together in like categories.
You might remember this tree from the entrance hall at the old house. I just washed this, and after it dries, I'm going to hang it up right there. So that's hung up now over the tub. I think it looks good. Well, you can see the progress I've made in the bedroom here. Parts of it look worse, obviously. But I started hanging some things that I thought would be better hung, and that would also free up room in some drawers. I removed the one little basket drawer unit. She's going to keep that in the entrance hall. And I've moved this shelving cabinet this way so you can access it more easily. Originally, she had all her sweaters in these drawers, you know, socks and underwear. And in here, you know, jeans, tops, pajamas, everything else. So I've taken things out, refolded things. She told me not to touch her underwear, so I'm leaving those drawers alone. I'll let her deal with that. I totally respect that. I wouldn't want anybody going through my underwear either. But my plan is to move this dresser over here, and she's got another, like a little desk that she wants to bring in here, so that she can work when she needs to if her daughter and anybody else is making a lot of noise in the other part of the house. So if she wants to get away from everybody, she'll still be able to come here and work in the quiet. So yes, I've got everything spread out on the bed here, and some of it's my stuff because I'm here for a whole week. There's a bunch of empty bins over here, and the plan was we were going to try and move out all the empty bins so we've got space to unpack other stuff. Oh, it's pouring rain out there. Anyway, so I'm going to move that dresser, and then we've got 2 tote bins full of laundry because she hasn't had a washer and dryer for almost a month. It's been like 3 weeks. It's not coming until Wednesday. So we do need to, make sure that there is extra room in the drawers and things for her clothes that she's actually worn. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. Well, I'm up early this morning, and I thought I would start tackling the closet area. And since we finally got some shelves put in the linen closet, I want to start getting all the blankets and sheets and things ready to go in there. And then can start making some order in this closet. I've already started hanging a few things, and we're getting the washer and dryer today, so we'll be doing laundry, thank God, and we may have a lot more things to hang. Well, I've put all the blankets and things in here that I can for now. Flat sheets, a fitted sheet for the double bed, duvet covers, sham,
throw blankets, a duvet, a bigger blanket, and a bed skirt that they're not going to be using regularly, I'm sure. And lots of room left over because we have laundry waiting to do. So this is the bathroom. Not a lot different from when I first showed you my after. I did add this one bath mat thing there. So that's that. We've got a door stop to keep the cat cage open because they like to hide in there. It's one of their cozy spots. So this is what the bedroom's looking like now. We did not get to all these totes here or all the pictures and things that are in the closet. There's a fireplace in there too that's got to go in another room, but waiting for a tradesman before that can go where it belongs. So I've just tucked in all these, a couple of bins here. That's all pictures. That's stuff that came out of the wicker dresser that's been moved to the front hall, and a few other things there. So she'll be able to sit here and work here if she wants, or she can work in the living room. She still needs to go through that bin, clothes and things that she thinks she might get rid of, but she wasn't sure of, so that's a maybe thing. All her tools and things are on those two bins. We still have to find a place for her fireproof safe. I assume she has important stuff in there. I don't know. And we just have the one nightstand here. We didn't put anything really. Oh, I did put a few things in the top drawer. And in the bottom, I just put her fabric and her Velcro, because she's got a couple plans for those. So I thought, well, those are the ones she actually has a plan for. We'll put them where she can get them when the tradesmen come and they can do the room switchy thing. And then she can set up her craft room and her sewing room, or craft, or it's not two different rooms, one room. The room her daughter's in right now is going to be like a craft sewing room, maybe an extra guest room, I don't know. She'll figure it out eventually. You know how it goes. So, yeah, looks kind of yucky out there. It's really pretty if you don't have to drive, but I'm going to have to drive in that. But I'm sure it'll get nicer as we go further south. Apparently it's only raining further south. So, anyway, this is all I was able to do for the bedroom, and at least it's clean and it has some kind of order. It's got the zones and everything. So anyway, oh, and I put that picture up there because that's one of my favorites that she said used to be her mom's. If you have stayed till the end of this video, I thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and I will see you in the next one.